Alright guys, today we're going to look at the distance formula. Right here, the key points. First of all, I can determine the distance between 2 points using Pythagorean theorem or the distance formula. So first, you look here, you see your distance formula. D equals the square root of x squared minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So for example, if I want to set me a problem up here, say D equals square root of parentheses x2, which is 5, minus x1, which is 2, squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. It's going to be 3 squared plus negative 4 squared. It's going to be the square root of 9 plus 16, because you know the square takes away the negative. Square root of 25. My distance here will be 5. You can do the same thing with the Pythagorean theorem. Alright, so we'll look at some examples here. A squared plus b squared c squared. My hypotenuse is always c. Tyler and April have mapped out a location for a game of manhunt. Tyler's position is represented by the point -2, 1. April's position is represented by the point -7, 9. Each unit is equivalent to 100 feet. What is the approximate distance between Tyler and April? So what I've done is I've marked where Tyler and April are. I've counted off the distances here, and I've labeled my points. I know this up here is April, and down here is Tyler. So I got my 2 points, -2, 1, and -7, 9. Put them in my distance formula. My x2 is -7 minus x1, which is -2, squared it, plus 9, my y2, minus my y1. I'm using my distance formula at the top. And then say minus a negative gives me a +2. So I got -7 plus 2 is -5 squared is 25. And then I got 9 minus 1, which is 8 squared, which is 64, and -5 squared is 25. 25 plus 64 is square root of 89. Find the square root of 89 is approximately 9.4. Multiply that by 100, I get 940 feet. Now if I was going to use the Pythagorean theorem, I'll take my A and my B, and I know my hypotenuse is the distance I'm finding. So I got 8 squared plus 5 squared equals c squared. 64 plus 25 equals c squared. 64 plus 25 is 89. Take the square root of 89, approximately 9.4, 40 feet. Alright, next example, Kevin is standing 2 miles due north of the school. So that's 0, 2. There's Kevin. James is standing 4 miles due west of the school. So you go left, and right there, -4, 0, and 0, 2. So I use my distance formula, and I draw my triangle. I know it's 4 units left and 2 units up on my triangle. So I got 0, 2, -4, 0. Plug them in. -4 minus 0, x2 minus x1 squared, plus 0, y2 minus y1 minus 2. That'll be -4 minus 0 is -4 squared. -2, 0 minus -2 is -2, which would give me -4 squared is 16. -2 squared is 4. 16 plus 4 is the square root of 20. Take the square root of that, I get 4.5 miles. Same thing with Pythagorean theorem. I'm always finding my hypotenuse, so I do 2 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. 4 plus 16 equals c squared. Square root of 20 is 4.5 miles. Alright, well, y'all finish up the practice, and this is the distance formula.